Understanding VA denial letters is crucial. Our AI-powered tools help you identify errors and take corrective action. Empower yourself to transform denials into approvals by recognizing common pitfalls and leveraging technology to navigate the appeals process effectively. Over 70% of veterans don't appeal denied claims. Common issues include incomplete evidence, such as missing medical records, lack of a clear nexus between condition and service, missed deadlines, and incorrect forms. Addressing these can significantly improve your chances of a successful appeal. Veterans Affairs denial letters often contain complex legal and medical jargon, leaving many veterans confused. Phrases like "evidence fails to establish a nexus" or "service connection not warranted" can be daunting. Understanding these terms is crucial to identifying what went wrong and how to address the issues in your claim effectively. Upload your Veterans Affairs denial letter to our secure platform. Our artificial intelligence analyzes it line by line, pinpointing key issues. You'll receive clear, actionable steps to strengthen your appeal. The Denied Claims Assistant simplifies your appeal strategy, making complex Veterans Affairs language understandable and actionable. Our AI deciphers VA jargon like insufficient nexus, meaning you need a doctor's link between your condition and service. Not service connected requires evidence your condition started during service. Not well grounded indicates missing medical evidence. We provide clear, actionable insights to navigate these complexities effectively. Back pain, often denied as a primary condition, can lead to secondary issues like sleep disturbances and depression. Medication for pain might cause stomach problems. Our AI identifies these hidden links, potentially strengthening your claim by connecting secondary conditions to the primary one, enhancing your chances of a successful appeal. Crafting a successful appeal requires a personalized strategy tailored to your denial reasons. Choose the right form: higher-level review, supplemental claim, or board appeal. Your appeal letter should address each denial reason point by point. Stay vigilant about critical dates and deadlines to ensure your appeal remains on track. James faced a denial for sleep apnea due to no service connection. Our artificial intelligence discovered deployment records indicating sleep issues, suggesting a post-traumatic stress disorder link. He submitted a supplemental claim with a new nexus letter from his doctor. Within 60 days, James was approved at 50%, receiving $15,000 in back pay. Our system offers a detailed analysis of your denial letter within a day, boasting a 92% success rate in improving approval outcomes for veterans. Importantly, this service is provided at no additional cost, ensuring you receive expert guidance without financial burden. Begin your journey to a successful appeal today. Start your journey to approval by walking through your denial letter. It takes just seconds to begin. Review insights to understand exactly what went wrong. Launch your appeal with a clear, winning strategy. Remember, a denial isn't the end. It's the beginning of your comeback.